Yeah, good day, friend. This is Ogunle Olumide Online, aka Olumik 14. This evening, I just want to quickly inform you about Contract Coin. Contract Coin is a legit app that can enable you to earn cool money on the internet by doing some daily routine, and it works based on uh, the procedure that I'm going to introduce to you via the videos that you're going to watch. Then it will guarantee you to earn 10 USDT, 10 USDT, and also the link of how you can get the app will be given in the description. Ensure that you click on the description to get the app. There is an app that after you might have clicked my link and you have registered, that you need to install in your phone, that will eventually take you to the place where you will enter your phone number as well as the login password that you use during the registration to log you on finally to CoinCheck environment, where you do your daily tasks and you earn money by doing some forex trading. The video that you are going to watch right now will explain the A to Z that you need to know on this contract app. It promises to give you the first class information. Endeavor you want to shut me up in order to download the application, and if you are having any issue of getting registered quickly in order to gain this 10 USDT and start making your money. This 10 USDT is equal to 4,000 naira, 4,500 naira Nigerian currency. So by the time you want to do your daily tax, you can gain another 4,000 naira. Then you decide to want to withdraw all your earnings. They are all withdrawable. The video is going to explain it to you. Stay connected as you watch the tutorial right now.
Hi guys, I want to show you an app that can make you a lot of money without you even depositing money in the first place. It's called Contract Coin. Now, if you use the link in the description, it's going to take you over where you can download the app, or you can go to their website and click on Android and you are going to be able to download the app. Here, you just need to perform 10 tasks daily, and if the task is successful, you are going to earn 0.5 contract coin, just with your free bonus of 10 USDT that will be given to you. Okay, so I want to open this app now. Click on install and I want to open it up now, and after opening it, we'll be able to register. Now, if it fails, your principal will be returned back to you, so you are not going to lose here. We'll be trading forex here. There is a forex page where we'll be trading. If you succeed, you get 0.5 cc with your 10 USDT. If you want to increase the amount you make daily, you can actually increase it. Now, if you are inputting your phone number, just don't put the 0 in front. Just input the rest of the number, okay? You go to captcha and you input the captcha. And I think I have, okay, yeah. And it's telling me that that is not correct, okay? So I need to, let me remove this and put Q in front, okay? Now, I click on verify and obtain code, and it's already counting down. I'm waiting for the code to drop, and after that I'll be able to input the code, and the code has dropped. It's on CC coin and my captcha is 078154. I will input that now, and after inputting that I will put in my login password and put in my phone password, okay? And I'm going to do that just now, okay? And now I need to input my invitation code. I have my invitation code in the description of this video. I'm using someone's invitation code to register now. I click on sign up now and I'm able to register successfully. Now we are in the home page of Contract Coin, and here what we have here for us, you can see on the home page is invite rebate. When you click on that, you will be able to actually invite people using your code, or you can actually invite them through your link and that is great. Another thing you need to notice here in the invite is that when you invite one active member, you are going to get $0.5, which is 50 cents. If you invite 20 members, that will be $10. Aside that, you can upgrade. Now, when you upgrade, upgrading means when you just need to invite 10 people successfully onto this platform, and from VIP 0 you will be upgraded to VIP 1. And when those people you invited are actually performing tasks, anytime their task is successful, you'll be getting 10% of whatsoever profit they make. Now, if you invite 30 people, you will automatically upgrade to VIP 2, and you'll be getting 15% of whatsoever profit the people you invited make. Now, if you invite 50 people, you'll be upgraded to VIP 3, and you'll be getting 20% of whatsoever those people you invited make. Now, if you actually invite 100 people, you'll be upgraded to VIP 4, and you'll be getting 25% of whatsoever profit they make daily. If you invite 200 people, you'll be upgraded to VIP 5, and you'll be getting 30% of whatsoever profit the people you invited actually makes. Now, that is how the invite works. Now, after the invite, the next thing we have here on the home CC center, this is where you're going to information you need to know about this app. Now, after the home page, we have the sport, and let me click on sports. Okay, now here is where we are going to be buying CC. Any CC you make, the contract coin you make, you get it now. You need to come and sell it here to convert it to USDT. Okay, so this is where we'll be doing that. After that, contract, and in the contract is where we're actually going to be performing task. Okay, so I click on contract now. You can see it's on the 15-minute chart. I can take you to 1 minute chart. I like to use the 1 minute chart. Okay, that is also going to show you the chart. Now you see the interval down here, and this is exactly where you are going to see the number of minutes you want your trade to last. Now we have the CC, and here you have 200 push, you have 10 tasks daily. You'll be performing 10 tasks daily. If you click on transfer, here you'll be able to transfer your CC to the spot wallet. Okay, when you click on the team, you are going to see the number of people you have invited and your VIP level. You can see I'm in VIP 0. Okay, so let me just go back from it. You see I have 200 coin already. Immediately you register, you have that 200 coin. Now when you click on the next one here and you have mining pool coin released, you have 200. I still have 200 coin that have been given to me. That's the details. Now the next thing is the asset, and you can see I have 10 USDT that have been given for me for free. So when you register with my link, you are getting 10 USDT that you can use to start performing tasks immediately. Okay, now after that is done, the next thing we want to do now is to go to contract and start performing tasks immediately. Now I have the graph here, and if I click on the upper part here, you see the record, and you can see commission and transaction details. This is where I'm going to get the details of every transactions I make here. Okay, now let's start trading. Now I select my interval to be 1 minute. That means if I enter a trade now, in 1 minute's time, it's going to be determined whether I'm buying or selling. So if I select 1 minute, I've input the quantity I want as 10 USDT, and you can see my balance is 10 USDT given to me for free. If I click on buy stroke long, you see participate successfully. Okay, I said it's going to buy from here. It's going to go up from here. So if it doesn't go up, if it goes down, my capital will be returned to me. That means I have lost, but my capital will be returned to me. My 10 USDT that I use now, you can see my balance is now 0 because I have used it to trade, and in 1 minute's time to be determined. If you click on record, you can see the status is still open. Okay, if you click on transaction details and it has been successful after 1 minute, and you can see hand reward I received is 0.50 cc contract coin. Okay, that is already successful. Well, I did the rest of the task myself. Okay, I did I think I've done 8 tasks now. Let me go back now. Let me just go back to show you that after now I've actually done 8 tasks. Okay, I did 8 tasks, and then it remained the 9th and the 10th task. Now this is my wallet assets. You can see what I have here. Now my balance still remains 10 USDT, and here I have 2 more tasks to perform. You see number of mining is 2. Okay, so I want to perform the 9th task and the 10th task. Now let me input 10 USDT again. You can see that my balance now, I have 10 USDT, and my other balance, which is the CC balance, is now 2.35 CC because I've already performed 8 tasks already. You get it now? So I'm waiting for this to actually come down a little bit so that I can click on buy. I want to enter at a very good price. Okay, I think it's okay now. I click on buy and say participate successfully. Okay, now that I've participated successfully, in the next 1 minute we'll know whether it's going to down. And you can see mining failed. Okay, it has failed because it went down. Okay, this is the 9th task I just performed. Let me go to my asset. You can see now it still remains the way it is. Now CC now is now performing one task more. Okay, number of money is 1. Now I want to enter the 10th task. Now all I just need is I need to input the quantity. Now just look at my balance, it's still 10 USDT. Every time I finish the task, the 10 USDT will be returned back to me. And my other balance here remains 2.35, just like it was before I went for the trade. And that's because I lost the last one. Now look at 15 minutes chart. You can look at different charts to know where the trade is actually headed to. For me, I just like to stay on the 1 minute chart, and I still have a strong belief it's going to buy. You can see it's going up already. So I want to go into the trade now. I want to input 10 USDT because that's what I have in my balance. And let me just look for a good point place to enter. Okay, I click on buy and say participate successfully. So I've already entered at this point. I'm waiting to see what will happen after 1 minute. So after 1 minute I checked, and you can see mine is successful. It actually went up from the point where I entered from. So and that has already successful. Okay, let me see the number of transactions I made today that failed. Okay, 1. This is a failed one. 1, 2. Okay, let me scroll up. Let me count. I have 2 already. Okay, so I have 3 that failed, and I have the 4th one that failed. That means 6, and I've received 0.5 contract coin per each one that is successful. Okay, now you can see my balance now is now 10.565 USDT. Okay, and if you look at my CC, you can see I have 2.82 CC now, and my number of mining is 0 because I performed all my tasks. If I click on transfer here, I can now transfer it from CC and convert it to my spot wallet. So I want to transfer 2.82. That's everything I have. All the CC I have, I want to convert them to my spot wallet. So I put 2.82 CC there, and I want to click on transfer. And let me see if it's going to transfer. Okay, I click on transfer and say minimum is 10 CC, so I have 2.8. So I increase my CC from 2.8 to 12.8, and you can see my current transfer amount now is 12.8, so that I'll be able to make this transaction. So I put in 12.82 now, and I want to transfer this to my spot wallet. Okay, so I'm going to click on transfer now. That's everything I have now. It's now more than 10 CC. So I'm going to click on transfer. And let's see what happened, and say successful transfer. So I've been able to successfully transfer my CC to my spot wallet. So what I need to do now is to go over to my spot wallet. Okay, you can see my assets now 12.56, 12.56. That's what I have. Okay, but now let me convert it. Let me go to my spot wallet and go and sell the CC. Let me sell it from the spot wallet and get my USDT. Okay, I put 12.82. That's what I have there. And I click on, if you look at the transfer, in front of the transfer I have 0.2003. So I'm going to click on that, and after that I click on sell button. Okay, so if I click on that 0.2003, it's going to tell me the amount I have. You can see 2.57 USDT. That's the amount I will get if I'm selling, and I click on sell, and that is going to tell me confirm. I need to input my fund password. When I was registering the other time, I put my fund password. Okay, so I put it there, and I click on confirm, and you can see submitted successfully. That's great. Okay, after that is done, the next thing now is, let me go to assets and let us go and see. Okay, I see my CC now is 0 because I've converted it, I've sold it, so I don't have any CC now. And my assets still remain 12.56, but everything is now in USDT, and I can withdraw it if I want. So if I want to buy, I just click on to buy. Okay, and I will be buying here. Let's say I want to buy quantity 10 USDT, and I click on that buy, and it's bringing me here as a bank card. Okay, 5,000 naira is what I will be paying to get 10 USDT. I click on to pay, and here it said it has given me an account number to pay to. Bank name, you can see now, Job Morg Nigeria Limited. I pay to Paycom, and this is the account number. So I copy the account number, and I will go and make transaction, and 10 USDT will be given to me after the transaction is done. Okay, if I want to sell, I click on to sell. I input the quantity I want to sell, which is 12. Now I have 12.57. I want to sell, and it's saying I'll be getting 5,400 naira. If I click on sell, it will have to input my account number, maybe UBA account, and that is done, and it will be sent to my account number. If I want to withdraw, okay, deposit and withdraw. If I click on deposit, you see now I can now copy my. You can see USDT TRC20. The network, USDT network we are using here is TRC20. I click on copy address. I can go over to my Binance. I will withdraw from Binance and send it to this address, and I will deposit. If I click on withdraw, let's say I want to withdraw now, okay? So it will ask me to input the address I want to withdraw to. I can go to Binance and go and copy my USDT address. Number of withdrawal, I have 12.5. Let's say I want to withdraw 12. It's telling me it will deduct 13 because of $1 USDT handling fee. Let me put 11, okay? And it's saying they will deduct 12 because we have one USDT handling fee. No problem. I just click on submit and I have it. So I need to input my address, my Binance address here, and it will be sent to my Binance account. It's as simple as that.